I'm always looking for a better and easier way to clean the snow from my car, especially without scratching the paint. So I purchased the Snow Joe 4-in-1 telescoping snow broom. And it also has LED lights. I really love that this tool extends my reach safely to get across the roof, but more importantly, there are no coarse plastic bristles to scratch my paint while I remove that snow. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use it, show you why I love it, and share a couple of things that, well, just aren't quite perfect. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video, but I've included links to the products I use in the description down below. This snow broom is perfect for snow removal from both the paint and the glass on your car because the large 18-inch by 7-inch non-abrasive foam head pushes heavy, wet snow off the vehicle without damaging paint, trim, or glass. And those 4 LED lights for nighttime illumination, well, they're so cool and surprisingly useful. It does have a built-in ice scraper that quickly clears ice buildup on the windshields, but more about the scraper a little later. And there's brackets on the back of the head so you can secure the pole onto the back for easy flat storage. And speaking about that pole, it also telescopes from 30 to 49 inches and it locks into place. And it's super easy to use. All you do is push or pull the snow off your vehicle. And there's a lot. But the beauty is, because of this foam head, it's not going to damage my paint, in other words, scratch it, or the windshield. And you can turn on those lights for easy nighttime use. So at first I thought these lights on the Snow Joe were kind of gimmicky, but check this out. And you can entertain the kids with strobe mode. They'll just love it. Now, I don't like that the snow broom takes up more space in my car than a traditional snow brush or broom, but as I mentioned earlier, you can remove the pole and clip it into the back, and it'll take up less space that way, but then you'd need to reinstall it every time. And this scraper, yeah, it works okay, but there are better ones out there. Click here for your next car winterizing video, and I'll see you there. Any questions or comments? Add them down below.